this is our high five video. We're going to start with Ajax and then Lorelai. Ajax, ready? Lorelai, no. Ajax, high five. High five. Good boy. Ajax, 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 high five. Good boy. Okay, Lorelai, your turn. Lorelai, sit. Lorelai, Lorelai, high five. Good girl. Good girl. Double pause. Ready? You finish your treat. Lorelai, sit. Good girl. High five. Good girl. Good girl. That's two. Ajax, you're still good. Lorelai, high five. Good girl. Double pause. Good girl. Let's do it a couple more times without the teeth. Hey, high five. Good girl. She uses both paws. Do you think that's acceptable? Lorelai, high five. That's the wrong hand. Lorelai, sit. High five. Do you think that'll work?
I think I would go get.
Lorelai.